Hey, what's up, guys? Haven't been on here for a minute, but I wanted to tune in and show you some things I picked up. So I did find this on eBay, Standing Britannia. You've all seen this one. It says, "My God directs my steps." So this is just a very well struck, unique bar. They've escalated in price rather quickly since 2022. So it's a 10 ounce. It's got the Queen Elizabeth on there. Just a beautiful bar, and Pinehurst had this for right around $26 an ounce, and most of these I seen were north of 300. So I thought that was a pretty good pickup for the price. Set that back here. So there she is. And then some of the other things I wanted to share is I did get my 25 1 ounce bar Guardhouse box. It is made in China. Okay, that's okay. So we'll open this up, check it out, and it is made, I think, to accommodate the bars, or the slab. What do I want to say? It is made to accommodate the capsules for the 1 ounce. Most of your 1 ounce silver bars. So there's that. So I've got some stuff on order. I'll share that with you in a future video, the 1 ounce bars that I've picked up and got on order. But I wanted to talk about MK Barz. I do have a few pieces. If you've watched any of my community posts, I talked about, do you think it's worth to buy the premium? So here we just have just a lady. And it just says late night stack. There's the MK Barz logo on the back. So, Mike does a great job with these. The premiums are a little steep because there is a lot more labor into, making these things just fine. And I did pick up this one. So same label on the, I guess you'd call it the obverse. And then on the reverse, on this one, we just have a pirate. So, and it's advocating Second Amendment, 1789 enactment. So I thought that was a neat piece. And I like how they're smaller in diameter for 1 ounce, but they're nice and thick. So pick that up. And so I did pick up this, the owl of Athena. Always liked this little owl. So the owl of Athena always accompanied Athena, the virgin goddess of wisdom. So it's been a symbol for knowledge and wisdom, that type of thing. So I thought that piece was cool. It's still, somebody sealed it in this, I guess. I don't know if I should take it out or if it's factory seal or just leave it in there. Knowing me, I'll probably just leave it in there. So kind of the same side here on the obverse. So those are those 3 1 ounce. And then I did get this. I haven't opened it. I thought I'd wait and open it on here. We could look at it together. So we'll peel this open. This is a poured 10 ounce bar that I actually got on eBay on AppMex's store, believe it or not. So of course it did have a premium, but it wasn't too bad. It was like 30 an ounce. But for a poured bar, MK Barz, I thought that was really good. So it says Los Angeles, California, MK Barz. It's got the Bitcoin logo there in the center and the blockchain in the background. 999 fine silver. So I thought that was really cool. And then I really like the back here. It's got all the MK Barz stamp logo with the crown on top. So I thought that was a really neat piece as well. Great detail. I mean, for a poured bar, I just thought that was awesome. So really excited to get this one. So I don't have another stand here with me, but I'll just set this one up here in the corner for now. Let Vernon hold it. He doesn't mind. If so, he'll say something. And then I also got this in the mail. Can't show you this side. It's got important address information on it. So I'll open this up real quick. we'll use this handy dandy knife. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to use my knife and dull that beautiful knife on something like this. You guys, I'm kind of more practical, so I got some scissors here. So I'll open this up, see what this is. I think I know, but I'm not 100% certain. All right, so oops, let's see more information. Here we go. It's inside this thing. Look at that. It is from Hayleybug Mint. Peace, love, and Hayleybug. Scan and sign up to get $15 off in our live sales. There you go. If somebody wants to take advantage of that. It's on drip. There is one at noon today. Usually there's one weekly. Got some stickers, peace, love, and Hayleybug. Nice little touch. And then, of course, the business card. We got Jay Schwab is the owner. Cast bars and rounds, hand poured silver. So there's all that information. And this one was just a little half-ounce piece that I thought was really neat looking. So we'll get that out of there. You've seen it already. It's a tiger. Tigger. Half-ounce Tigger. So this Tigger's not too dangerous. So on the back, I got it upside down. There it is. There's the back stamping. Hayleybug, half-ounce, $9.99 fine silver. And then the front. There we go. If we can focus on that, we got us a little tiger. So I thought that was a pretty neat half-ounce piece. But you guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I got some 1-ounce bars coming. And I'll be sharing some of those with you. We got to fill up this Guardhouse box. I got a good start. I don't know. I mean, I've got less than 10. I think I got 3 on order. 1 was already here. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. All right. So you guys, as always, don't be slacking. Keep on stacking. Peace out.